My name is Beth Galliart. I'm a member of the Iclusig Patient Group. I have been living with CML for almost 6 years and actually been a patient on Iclusig for 4.5 years. It'll be 5 years in June. So today was really a great opportunity for our group to be heard by the FDA, and it was really just a lovely opportunity. There were events surrounding the marketing approval of Iclusig last fall where marketing approval was pulled for 2 months, and during that time there was just a lot of panic and concern among patients across the U.S. and concerns expressed by our doctors where it appeared that the FDA's review of the data was changing and shifting over time, causing sort of a broadening of what is considered a serious adverse event, which led to the increased reporting in serious adverse events. And it was great to have the opportunity to express our concerns about these shifts and what really went on, because the drug was put back on the market 2 months later. That's not a significant amount of time. The data couldn't have changed dramatically, and we all kind of want to try to understand what happened, and we hope that as a result of what happened last fall, it gives the FDA an opportunity to review how they approve or recommend suspending approval for drugs in the future. And I really can speak to my little world of, CML, and which is a chronic myeloid leukemia. And it is a disease that is really not cured ever. You may have undetectable levels, but it's always there. And I think it's important that, so we have to live with this disease. We also have to live with the effects of the drugs that we take. And I think it's important that we have conversation and dialogue with doctors, with the FDA about, the risks that we are willing to take. I'm willing to take a higher risk for my leukemia drug than I am for, say, my allergy drug. And those conversations are really important.